Let's pipe a daisy wreath cake together. This cake kind of reminds me of when I was little. My friends and I would pick daisies off the ground and twist their stems together to make pretty little rings for our fingers. It looked like a small version of what I'm about to pipe on this cake. Start with some green buttercream in a piping bag fitted with a small round tip such as 4. Simply go around the cake spinning it while piping a ring of stems. I like to crisscross short strands of buttercream to build a wreath so they look like individual stems that are woven together. Next, grab a bag of white buttercream fitted with a drop flower tip. This one is Gem 30, which pipes out 8 petaled flowers. These kind of tips are the best because all you have to do to make pretty flowers is squeeze the bag. The harder you squeeze, the larger the flower will be. I like to go around and pipe a variety of large and small ones just so that there's some variation. Let's pipe in just a few more to really fill in the wreath. Once those are piped, you can use tip 4 again with yellow buttercream and fill in the center of each flower. I pipe the centers of these pretty big so that the yellow color can really stand out. Alright, just a few more to go. Now use tip 352 with a lighter shade of green and pipe some leaves among the stems. This tip is great because the nozzle is shaped so that all you have to do is squeeze the bag and it automatically creates these pointed leaves. This makes the wreath extra cute and adds some subtle variety. Lastly, sprinkle in some small white nonpareils for additional contrast and texture. Though tiny, the white really pops on that green. Keep going around the cake and fill in all the gaps between the tiny little flowers to help round out the ring. This will also help the shape of the wreath stand out. There you have it, a lovely cake with a fresh ring of daisies.